In this video, you will learn how to create line charts. Line charts allow you to visually explore trend analysis for sentiment analysis across your sample period by all firms, relevant groups, and/or by firm. Before I create these visualizations, I want to remind you that the data set that I am using for all of the videos is an abbreviated version of the data set that you received from your instructor in this case. This was intentional so that I may demonstrate the steps required for the case without revealing the solution to the case. My data and visualizations will be different from your data and visualizations. If your screen is small like mine, you may need to adjust the various menus. In the visualization menu, click the line chart. A template of this visualization appears. You can expand the visualization by clicking and dragging with your mouse. Check the box next to fiscal year end to add it to your visualization. If it's added to the y-axis, go ahead and click and drag it up so that it will be reported on the x-axis. Check the box next to negative sentiment analysis. As you can see, PowerBI's default is to add it as a sum. If you click the down arrow, you'll reveal a quick menu that will allow you to pick other statistics that are appropriate for your visualization. For now, I'm going to leave it as sum. Add the company name to the legend field. Your instructor will provide additional guidance if you were to select a subgroup of firms for the visualization. You can limit the firms that are shown in the visualization by clicking on the company name in the Filters menu and then selecting the companies that are appropriate for your visualization. Let's relabel our chart and our y-axis so that it is more meaningful for users. Click on the option in the visualization menu to format your visual. Then click on General and click on Title. This allows us to rename the title of the chart. Let's name our chart Negative, and we can remove the underscore, Sentiment, by fiscal year end, and instead of saying end by company name, let's say end firm. As you can see, when we did this, we changed the title of our chart. We'll fix our y-axis by going back to the visual menu and then select y-axis. And here we can relabel the title from auto to negative sentiment score. We're going to create a number of visualizations. To keep track of each visualization, let's rename the page. Right-click on page 1 and select the option to rename the page. Call this page Negative Sentiment by Year and Firm. Not all of the firms in the visualization may be of equal importance. You may want to focus on the sentiment for specific firms. To create an effective visualization that focuses on specific firms' trend lines, Nossenbaum-Knaflic suggests using a color pattern which helps that firm or those firms stand out. To create this color-shifted visualization, let's begin by duplicating the visualization we just created. Right-click on the title, and then select the option to duplicate the page. Let's rename this visualization as color shift, just so that we can see the difference. Click on the chart to reveal the menus. Go to Format Your Visual, and then go down to Lines. Expand the Colors menu under the lines. Let's say, for our purpose, that we want to highlight Flanagan's, so we'll make that a light blue shading, and McDonald's, we'll make that a red shading. All of the rest of the firms are comparison firms, so we want to see the lines but not necessarily emphasize them. So we can change the color to dark gray. Let's save our workbook using the shortcut key Control-S. Great job! Despite only creating 2 visualizations, you have now covered a lot of useful options that help ensure you can create effective visualizations. In the next video, you will learn how to create box and whisker plots, which can be useful for visualizing basic statistics.